Hello techies, welcome to Dubai Tech Hub. Today we are going to start a new series of videos about RTA theory test questions. Subscribe to our channel Dubai Tech Hub for receiving notifications for all upcoming videos. Thanks for all your support for our previous videos. In Dubai or in UAE, all the residents are trying to get driving license. But for getting the driving license, we all need to go through the theory test as a first step. In this series, we will be practicing the RTA UAE theory test questions. I'm sure that after watching all the videos of this series will help everyone to clear the theory test in the first attempt. All the very best for all the viewers. Let's get into the video now. Let's see the first question. The picture shows red traffic light. This means A. Be ready to stop. B. You must stop. C. You must slow down. Which one is the correct answer? You are correct. B is the correct answer. You must stop. Next question. One of the difficulties of driving is A. Letting other drivers know when they are driving dangerously. B. Predicting what other drivers will do. C. Checking your engine oil regularly. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Predicting what other drivers will do. Next one. Driving is more dangerous if you A. Adjust the radio as you drive. B. Talk on a mobile telephone as you drive. C. Adjust the radio or talk on a mobile phone as you drive. C is the correct answer. While driving, don't adjust radio or mobile phone. Next one. Which of the following is more important? A. Looking ahead for hazards. B. Controlling your vehicle in a skid. C. Keeping your vehicle clean and tidy. A. Looking ahead for hazards. Next question. Driving conditions on a road will be A. Worse in dry weather. B. Worse in wet weather. C. The same in dry or wet weather. Answer is B. Worse in wet weather. Next question is, people walking along or crossing the roads. A. Should be warned with a strong sound of horns. B. Should be told by the enforcement people to stay away from the cars. C. Should be considered as among the many hazards on the road. The correct answer is C. Should be considered as among the many hazards on the road. Next question. Which of the following will make you a more dangerous driver? A. Drinking alcohol. B. Taking medicines. C. Drinking alcohol and also taking certain medicines. Right answer is C. We should not drink alcohol and taking certain medicines while driving. So try to avoid these things while driving. Next, speeding increases the risk of a crash because A. It slows your reflexes. B. It increases the number of road hazards. C. The faster you drive, the longer it takes to stop. C is the correct answer. The faster you drive, the longer it takes to stop. Next question. You will be a safer driver if you drive just a little bit slower because A. You will have time to look at the scenery. B. You gain more experience by driving slowly. C. You can respond to hazards by slowing down quicker. C is the correct answer. You can respond to hazards by slowing down quicker. The last question. Driving under the influence of alcohol is dangerous and A. UAE traffic law prohibits it. B. UAE traffic law allows small amount. C. UAE traffic law controls it. A is the correct answer. Do not drive vehicle under the influence of alcohol. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends preparing for the RTA UAE theory test. Don't forget to subscribe to Dubai Tech Hub for more helpful content. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Zafi signing off. Bye techies.